everyone, my name is Muninder Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Death Coding. So in today's video we will see how to convert an array into a zigzag fashion. Let's understand the problem statement. We have been given an array with distinct element of size n. Our task is to rearrange the element of an array in a zigzag fashion, and the below is the format in which we want to bring the output. So the time complexity we have to use is order of n, and the space complexity required is order of 1. Constraints for the size of an array is 10 raised to power 6, and for element of an array is 10 raised to power 9. Okay, before writing a code, let's first understand the problem through example. So from the given equation we get some idea that our even index element should always be less than the odd index element of an array, and our odd index element should always be greater than the even index element of an array. So let's understand this through example. We have been given an array of size 4 and the element as 1, 4, 3 and 2. Now let's compare first two element of an array. When we check compare even with odd, then we have to check that our even element should always be less than the odd element. In our case 1 is less than 4, so we will keep array of 0 as 1 only. And in second step we will check odd with even, that is 4 if it is greater than 3, yes. In odd case we have to check if our element is greater than the even one, yes. In our case 4 is greater than 3, so we will keep array of 1 as 4 only. Next step we will compare even with odd again. So in even case we have to check if our even element is less than the odd element, but when we compare 3 and 2, so our 3 is greater, so in that case we have to swap the elements. So our array of 2 becomes 2 and array of 3 becomes 3. So now let's try to code this. So let's first initialize temp variable for swapping, then we will run a loop till the size of an array. Now we will compare even elements. Now even index elements, if they are greater than the odd index elements, in that case only we have to do the swapping. So we will write like this: if if it is greater than I plus 1, in that case only we have to do the swapping. Now on the other hand, for the odd index elements, I modulus 2 not equal to 0. In this case, if our odd index element are less than the even index elements, in that case we have to do swapping. So if array of I is less than array of I plus 1, in that case we have to do swapping. So let's swap it. In temp we will keep array of I, and in array of I array of I plus 1, I plus 1, and in array of I plus 1 we will keep temp. Okay, now let's compile and see the results. Okay, in this case we are getting output 1. So if our result is coming as expected, then the output will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. So let's try to submit and see all other test cases. Okay, so it is working fine for other test cases as well. So this is all in today's video. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to ask me through a mail present in the description box. Also, for more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel. and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.